Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and if this is your first time of joining me on this channel, I would indulge you to like this video, click the bell notification icon, and also subscribe so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so today I'm going to continue from the previous video I've actually done about how I source products online, especially hot selling product, and make as much money as possible before competition gets right on it so much. So the first part of this video, which I did earlier, I showed how you can actually source, or how I personally do my product sourcing using the Pinterest and the Amazon method. Okay, so but in this video we're going to look at the Facebook method. I actually discovered this method during the COVID-19. Okay, because the Pinterest and the Amazon method would actually require you to import products. Okay, because like in most cases anyway, when you must have discovered this product and you've been able to see that it's hot selling, and you've done your necessary test ads and certify this product to be hot selling, and you would need to import. Okay, so but due to the COVID-19, I was unable to import most of the time. So I discovered this method whereby all I have to do is to find an already existing product, okay, which is already available within the country, and start selling. Okay, but remember, it has to be a hot selling product with good market acceptability and all that. So having said that, let's jump right on it. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you some of the keywords I use. All you just have to do is to log on to your Facebook, get to this search tab. Okay, and before I search for the keywords, there are so many keywords that are similar or that are peculiar to e-commerce space in Nigeria. Stuffs like, or keywords like, buy one get one free, buy two get two free, free shipping, free delivery, free nationwide delivery, 30% discount, 40% discount, 50% discount, 75% discount, and offers. Okay, offer valid while stock lasts. So there are so many keywords, okay, in ad creatives which sellers or which e-com guys use while creating their ads. And when you search those vital keywords on this Facebook, it's going to give you a whole lot of products that are selling and the ones that were sold, or it will give you a whole lot of products to choose from. So it's now left for you to make your choice. And sometimes you could actually narrow down this keyword to your specific interest area or interest niches. Okay, like for myself, sometimes I could be like, buy one get one free kitchen, or buy one get one free car, or buy one get one free. So there are so many of them. So let's start with buy one get one free. Okay, so open up in new tab. I already have opened up a new tab on that. Okay, so but this time around I narrowed it down to kitchen. So you can actually do buy one get one free for car. You can actually do buy one get one free for hypertension. For those of you that are in health niche, okay, simply keep right clicking and keep opening up on. We're going to get that, and I'll get there. I'm going to show you what you're going to do. You can also check buy one get one free for, what is it called, for security gadgets, or buy one get one free security. You can actually, so it depends on your need. The keywords are many. It depends on your niche. Anyway, you can do free nationwide delivery. Okay, it will give you a whole lot of information. You could narrow it down to car. You could narrow it down to gadgets. You could narrow it down to tablet, kids educational tablet. You could narrow it down to weight loss. You could narrow it down to smartwatch. Just play with the keywords and you get a whole lot of information out there. So, but without wasting much of your time on this video, I want to make this video very brief, but just get the whole concept. Okay, so now we're on let's go to buy one get one free for kitchen. And once you get in here, narrow it down, get to the video icon and click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see a whole lot of video or video ads. These are people's creatives. These are ad creative many persons had run in the past. Okay, and one of the ways I look at them is there is dates and there is number of views. Okay, because the number of views will actually teach you or show you two things. One, how the date will show you how long has this content been here on Facebook, and if it's been there for a very long while with high volume of views, that means the owner of the product or the seller of the product has been running ads back to back, and it's only a successful product, a product that sells very well, that generates enough revenue for the seller to keep running repeated ads on that particular product. So that's a sign to let you know that that product actually sells. Okay, then look at another. This one actually sells, but we'll come to that. Then look at this. It got in here on March 3rd, and from that March 3rd, that's barely a month as at the time of recording this video. 20k views is a good one. So just a quick run through on the date and the number of views could give you an idea of the ones that are most likely selling well. And all you just have to do is to, okay, let's look at this. October 23, 2021, 165 views. That doesn't mean this product doesn't sell well. It could just be that the seller didn't run ads on it and all that. So, but whichever way, the main essence of sourcing product this way is just for you to easily see what is selling. Okay, you can do your detailed research on it and get more results. So let's look at this. Let's take a look at it. Okay. So you can see this video. I actually saw this ad several times, and I know it was actually selling fine and all that. So you could look at, once you click on that video, you could also see other details like number of comments. So these are about 18,000 comments, 2.7 million views, and you can go through the comments, and at the time when the comments were dropped, so that means this product actually did well for the seller. Okay, so you could now look for the name of this product and search for it specifically on Facebook, so you can get more options on these products that are actually sold. Okay, so that's one of the ways I get information on hot selling products or new selling products which I want to take advantage of and start selling without having to go through the stress of importing from China and all that. Okay, so let's look at which other one that is doing well here. Let's look at kitchen bubble cleaner. Okay, this is also cool because I actually saw this ad several times, and under the comments I saw many persons requesting for this product and all that. Okay, so this is also a good one, but remember, everything is not all about looking at it right here online and concluding that it sells, but this is just to give you an idea. So when you must have gotten this idea of most of the likely things to sell, all you just have to do is to run your test ad. Very important. Run your test ads. Okay, run your test ads and make sure that you get a converting product, because that's the only guarantee that there are customers for this. You just making assumptions, okay, for the fact that you saw this product right here under Facebook search is not enough reason for you to say that this product is selling and thereby jump the right process and go on to buy maybe 50 pieces or 100 pieces and start selling. No, do your due diligence. This is to give you an idea of what is selling and what is most likely to sell. So when you must have made your choice, let's say of 3 to 5 or 6 products, then run your test ad. Anyone that comes out winning, very fine. Then you could go ahead to import and sell, or you could go ahead to sort on Gigi or Trade Fair Lagos or Alaba International Market, and start making your cool money. Okay, so let's just look at one or two other products. Let's look at this. Okay, no, this is not Nigerian. I'm looking at the language. It's not Nigerian. Though you could get your idea from anywhere. It mustn't necessarily be Nigerian product or a product that is selling in Nigeria currently. So this way you can do so many. You can get to do so many things. Okay, let's look at buy one get one free for car. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, under this, just head on to videos, because trust me, customers engage more with video ads. Okay, from my experience, customers engage very, very much more with video ads. So coming under cars, you could check out things for yourself. But from what I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing good products from the video thumbnails. I'm not seeing very good products. So all I'm going to do is to change the search term, let's say to free nationwide delivery, still with car. Okay, let's see what we get. So I think this is okay, because I'm looking at scanners, I'm looking at complete DIY kit for your car. I'm looking at vacuum cleaner, I'm looking at restore your headlamp, I'm looking at best car accessories to jumpstart your cars. Like when you look at this, you get an idea of what you may want to sell if you are really interested in that niche. Okay, this intelligent pressure, I think this is for car wash and all that. So, and this is car net organizer and all that. So by doing this, you're able to get ideas on product that may likely sell. Then do your test ad. Anyone that comes through for you, you start making as much money as possible. Okay, and remember, when you click on any of these adverts, try to look at the customer's review and information, and oftentimes the seller also drop the link to his sales page. Okay, this may not come out fine for those selling this product, but that's just the honest truth on how I get my information, or get ideas on product to sell. So from that website link or their sales page link, you could actually be able to see how they structured their sales page and how they make their sales, and you can actually model. I don't advise you to copy verbatim, but model. Okay, so that's all about this, and that's all about it. How to get ideas for your products, hot selling products, part 2. Okay, so if you've stayed with me up to this moment in this video, I would suggest you like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop information like this or hot tips and tricks on how you can make money online, you would actually be among the first to be notified. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.